Okay, going for a little wander, and we're thinking about oil barrels and swans and a couple of small heat locations. Okay, first things first, we'll get the oil barrels out of the way. Um, there was two heat sources mentioned, which were oil barrels, and I'll just refer to them right here. Okay, so around the 21-minute mark of your video, these coordinates refer to Lansdowne Station Road, and in here there's it seems to be a bit of waste ground, and there's where the two oil drums were. Okay, and then there was two small heat locations mentioned by a river, and I'll just show them on a map just for a bit of clarity. Okay, this location was given in GPS, and it's 45.42 9505 62 816 028, and this was in your video at around the 10-minute mark, the two heat sources close together, and this is actually the same location as the 25-minute mark, only the location is given in UTM. The searchers couldn't find anything at that location, but there was a duck mentioned. It could possibly be that there could have been two ducks at that location and there was only one spotted, or it could be that the duck was sitting on the bank at the side of the river and decided to get into the water, and where the duck was sitting could have had residual heat, which would have been picked up as another heat source beside the duck. So that's a viable answer for why there was two heat sources and only one seen, and a mention of a duck. And then, oddly enough, after that we get mentions of a pair of black swans that were on or moved further up to a lawn out of the way. And as far as I can work out, there was no actual overheard GPS or UTM coordinates given for those swans. And why is that? Could be because they were on a frequency that just wasn't recorded. That happens. There's a lot of audio we don't hear, a lot of audio that's missed. So I think the coordinates for those swans was missed. And I hope that helps to clear up a bit of stuff. Anyway, take care and good luck.